connected with education, even the way students learn is also changing with time. Earlier it was directly with books. Now even students are learning from online medium. They are using mobiles, they are using websites, mobile apps. So is this a new trend which will last longer, or this is just a, how do you see the future of education, or what should be the future?
I think it's inevitable. The computers come into the room, and it's more than the elephant in the room, and it's not going to leave. It's going to stay. And of course, the next level is artificial intelligence, so that many things that we think today are impossible to do, artificial intelligence will do it for us, and open up a wild and wide sphere of understanding and discovery. It's daunting at times. It's exhilarating at times. It's fascinating at times. But I think online learning is here to stay. But I do hope that the human element that we've always cherished in education, the human element that we have understood to be unique, and the relationship between the teacher and the taught is something that will not go away. I hope that will remain.
That will not go away.